Hi guys, welcome to Flavian Hub. Today we'll be unboxing this Boya Lavalier microphone. This one, a BY-M1. This is the box, as you can see. We have on the side here, we have the BY-M1 here. Then we have a Lavalier microphone, micro cravate here. Then we have what is used for here, like smartphone camcorders, DSLR. We have audio recorders, and this is the other side. Then on the back here, we have some features and specifications. So on the features here, we have what you can use the microphone on the devices, the device which you can use the microphone with. So we have smartphones, we have DSLR, and then we have camcorders, audio recorders, and the PC. So the mic is omnidirectional. That means you can capture sound from all directions. Then it is high quality condenser for video use, so you can use for when you are recording your videos, and it is as low handling noise. So when the noise is low, it can still capture. So on here we have what is included in the box. That is lapel clip. We have LR44 battery. We have a foam windscreen, and we have a quarter adapter. So that what comes with the microphone. Then we have some specification here, as you can see. So guys, let us open and see what is inside, or what is inside the package. As you continue to watch, don't forget to subscribe and smash that notification bell, so that you will be notified each and every time I upload my video. We have some instruction manual, as you can see. These are the instruction manual. So the package here, it contains one BY-M1 lavalier microphone. It has a foam windscreen, it has a clothing clip, then we have a vector, a battery, a carrying case, and a user manual. This is a user manual. So you can see we have some user manual here. Now this is the carrying case, so let us open and see. It's like it's not the real leather, it is fake leather, as you can see. And we have a logo here of Boya and the word Boya here. So let us open and see what is inside. We have the microphone itself. This one, it is 6 meters, guys. So this one you can record up to from a distance of 6 meters. So that's what I like about this microphone. Then we have some accessories here. Let us unbox and see what are these. We have a windscreen here, so that you can reduce the wind which comes when you are recording. This is how you can use that. We have a quarter, as you can see. We have a quarter adapter here. You can use it like this. So you can see, you can use it like that. On the audio interfaces, which uses this one. Then we have a clip, the clip which is used when you are using it for your cloth. You can use this one. Then we have the battery here. Now this is the battery, guys. Now we have, this is the battery, LR44. Now to install the battery, just open here, just screw here. You can open it here like this. Then you can put it here, set it there. Then you can close it back. Guys, this I think this is some kind of metal. It's very metal like. It's very nice. and we have a clip here. You can clip somewhere. You can clip this one somewhere so that it will not be falling down, or you cannot be stepping on it, guys. Then we have, you install this one. You can put it here, but first let us install this one here. This one, you put it like this, then you can install this one like so, guys. And there we have a microphone, guys. As you can see, it's very nice, guys. And I like it. As I said, I like it because it is very long, guys. You can use it. As you can see, 6 meters. 6 meters is very long microphone. You can use it you know, when you are using like a stationary microphone somewhere, when you go like a bit of distance, the voice will be reduced. But this one, as long as you have clipped your mic on your shirt or on your cloth, this will, then the volume, the sound or the audio will still be the same. It will not be reduced. Then we have some as you can see, we have some toggle here for cameras. If we are using camera, you toggle this one here. Then we have smartphone, for smartphone, when you are using the smartphone. So this one you use like this. So guys, let me plug it on my phone so that you can tell me, you will tell me how you will hear the sound, what the difference on the sound. So guys, now I'm using the microphone. Now you can judge the sound which is coming from the microphone and see how it sounds. Now this is what it sounds like. I'm using like some feet away, you can use, and when I come near, like some distance, some centimeters, now I'm talking through the microphone. Now you can be the judge and see how it sounds. Now I will go like some distance further, like some 5 meters away. You can see how it sounds. And now guys, I'm like 5 meters from my recording. Now this is the voice from my from 5 meters. Now guys, as you can see, I think, although I cannot hear my voice, but I think the voice is good, and there is no reduction of the audio or the quality. I think the noise is just the same. So guys, this is a good microphone to use. It has all the features, and you can use on all your devices. The devices, whether it's PC, whether it's a smartphone, whether it's camcorders, it's very good, guys, to use. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any question, don't forget to comment below, and I'll catch you on my next one.